All right, today at Coyote Classics, we're gonna be doing a walk around and test drive on a pretty unique car that you don't see that often, and I don't think we've had one.
It's our first damn car we've ever had here,
yeah.
First Maverick.
First 1974 Ford Maverick. 80-something thousand original mile car, well taken care of. I'm excited to check it out.
Very solid too. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, you're gonna see just how solid the floors and body are. Trunk is excellent. Rust-free floors and frame rails on this 1974 Ford Maverick. This car's got great paint on it. It's had one repaint. As we go around, you're going to see the original paint on the firewall, under the hood, inner fenders, door jambs, trunk, that kind of stuff. All original paint in those areas. A beautiful exterior paint done a number of years ago. Other than that, completely survivor car except for new carpet and one paint job. Air conditioning car, power steering car. So very rare to have power steering on the Maverick. Factory 302 car.
The old Maverick can take that SRT.
That's a Hellcat. I don't know if the Maverick can take the Hellcat.
I think he looks intimidated.
I think he's a little nervous. This one is Holly equipped.
It's Holly equipped.
Yeah. No supercharger, but Holly equipped. All right, so enough jacking around here, Dalton. A very nice car, original, survivor. Good running 302. I don't know why they ever did the damn prop line.
I don't know. You don't have to worry about hinges wearing out.
Yeah. That's not. The bumpers, the bumper guards, grill, everything like that is original on it. The gap is great on the hood. Nice and flush on both sides. Gap's a little wider on the passenger side than on the driver, but it's nice and even from front to back. They did put grabber emblems on this original 302 air conditioning Maverick, which I think looks really good. Didn't hurt the value at all. Back of the hood lines up good.
You also put the 5.0 badges just to scare off any would-be competitors.
Okay.
Yep.
I like the 5.0 badges.
This thing is really straight though.
Oh, freaking solid.
After it gets bumped out.
Yeah. Look at the bottom of the doors, rockers. I mean, it's not having bubbles, blisters, no issues whatsoever. The bottom of the door fits great. Top of the door lines up nice. Dual exhaust sounds good. I left the key in the trunk for you so you can pop that.
Save me some work.
Yeah. It's got original spare. Yeah, bias ply spare on it still. As far as it still has the jack instructions, all the original paint in the jams, same as the door jams, everything like that. Very, very clean. Door handles have just minor pitting. It's all original there too. A little bit of overspray on the original jams here. The door panel, I mean, this part cleaned up awesome. The detail department did a fantastic job cleaning all this original interior. A little wear through right here. I think it's the same on the other side. Original seat belts here, still has the original holder. Back seat's in great shape. It's got the retractable seat belts back there. Headliner's nice, dome light works. Very impressive little car. I mean, they don't weigh nothing, and they have a 302 in here. This really makes it kind of a little exciting car. I'm excited to drive it. Inside the glove box, all the hinges, there's no surface rust on the hinges, which really, and same thing with the inside of the glove box itself. It's never had any mouse damage, no mouse nest, nothing like that. Inside the ashtray is nice and clean. 84,717 original miles. The shifter, the little seal right here should be replaced, just a little rubber seal. Somebody did go ahead and put a Kenwood CD player in it. Disc brakes. Door panels are fantastic. Headliner is great. No mouse holes, no issues whatsoever. Really kind of, I'm guessing, kind of a highly optioned, I want to say grandpa kind of car, but then turned muscle with the American Racing wheels, the grabber stickers, and that damn 5.0 on the front fender.
And the dual exhaust sounds good too.
It does. It's got a great stance. This is what I like, these low mileage original cars. Look at the trunk gap, how everything fits. The fit and finish is great. The body is super straight, not wavy at all. I don't know what to expect. I don't think anyone's drove this car yet. So We really have no idea if this car just has no balls at all or if it kind of gets up and goes. We'll find out in a little bit. I can tell you the gaps are great. Floors are awesome. And I don't see a bubble anywhere. This car is not quite as fun as the Pinto. Remember we did the damn Pinto?
Yep.
That was a pretty fun video. What was that, a couple years ago now?
Yeah, it has been a few years.
Check out the old Pinto video. We got a lot of backslash on that, talking about it being unsafe and dangerous. That was a pretty funny one, wasn't it? So we got the Maverick, and we got its fierce competitor, the Ford Pinto.
Ford Pinto.
Hear the air conditioner kicking. Max Air.
Got a speedometer and a gas gauge. Sounds good though.
Hey, the fuel gauge works. Speedometer's crystal clear.
I might be a Maverick fan after this one.
But look at the steering wheel on it. I mean, it's got one crack in the steering wheel. Other than that, look how clean this thing is. Oh yeah, she works. She's a good one.
No cracks in the dash. This is a cool car.
Idles down really nice.
It does.
I wonder if Maverick ever had a factory tag. That's
I don't know.
Possible.
I'm sure they did.
This one's, oh man, remote mirror.
And that works too.
Look at
So many
this,
times those are
guys.
good.
Look where we're passing right now.
Yeah, we bought that old pony too.
1977, one owner, 57,000 actual miles. That little girl, that's a V8 car 302 also. We should put the 5.0 emblems on that baby.
Yeah, we should line them up.
That has factory tack and air also. So very highly optioned car, and that one will be pictured and videoed here in a couple weeks.
We've got a lot of cars right now, about 55, you know, and we're just trying to work them through and get them all on the website. This thing runs really nice.
Watch out, Hellcat!
Yeah, we're coming for you.
There's the car.
There's the sheriff.
Good thing we didn't race the Hellcat and the Maverick. Hey, our brakes are good. We did put a new master cylinder on it. Got a really nice.
I think Colin wants to race.
I don't know if the Maverick can beat the squad car.
You can catch up with the squad car.
No, try.
I think that was really
It's not bad at all.
No, it's not. Nice smooth shift.
Holy smokes! Nice 3-speed transmission. Drives perfect down the road. I'm sold on this damn thing.
Yeah, nice car. Me and Colin would be embarrassed.
Right after the squad car. Uh-oh.
Oh boy.
Now you're in trouble. He's just had no. Man, this thing drives great. Speedometer works perfectly.
Goes on the road really nice.
Aren't you impressed?
Yeah, I like it. I
Roll
really
up
do.
our windows and see if it's one of these cars we can whisper it. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
it is. Seals up nice. There's a lot of room in it too. I was kind of impressed by that.
It is. A lot more than like a Mustang.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know if we'd call this a big boy car, but
I like the blue on blue. It's a beautiful exterior color.
I don't think this car is going to last very long. We're going to price this at $23,995, and it's a rust-free, solid V8 air conditioning little muscle car.
Yeah, absolutely. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description. As always, thank you for watching.